Yellow Yorkies. The first thing you're going to do for this center today is read this passage 3 times. Make sure you draw your 3 smiley faces, and then you're going to answer the 3 questions. Now at the bottom it says, read and illustrate the sentence from the selection. A fox will keep its food in the den. So you need to draw a picture of that. Next, we have this center involving these cards. Now, every card has a verb on it, and it has what the suffix is you need to add. Now, in the directions it says, choose a verb card, and then we don't have a spinner, and write a sentence using the verb with the suffix in a sentence. So you're going to write the word here after you add the suffix to it and write a sentence with this. I want you to write 4 sentences, and that is all, just 4. Lastly, we have these cards, and you're just going to look at it and you're going to tell me how many syllables are in the words. So right here for number 1 we have farmer, so clap out farmer. Farmer has 2 syllables. I'm going to write the number 2. Number 2 we have an acorn, so acorn, that one also has 2.